In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp app. Maybe you are concerned of privacy and you want to lock your WhatsApp app to prevent yourself from intruders. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make a mistake. Before trying this feature, whichever operating system you are using, whether you are an iOS user or Android user, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Then in WhatsApp, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down and tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on privacy. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate fingerprint lock. In order for you to lock your WhatsApp app, you have to make sure this is toggled on, as you can rightly see on the screen. And then you have the option to select how you want this feature to operationalize, whether you want it to lock immediately or after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. In this case, I selected after 30 minutes. Whichever option best suits you, you can proceed to tap on it. And what this basically means, if I move out of WhatsApp for 30 minutes, the WhatsApp app will automatically lock itself. So anytime I have to open it, I have to use my fingerprint in order to get access to it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.